Welcome to the lecture on complex analysis, probability and statistical methods. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss about the rank of correlation. So we will see how to find rank of correlation. So it can be found by using Spearman's rank correlation. The Spearman's correlation coefficient is defined as the Pearson's correlation coefficient between the rank variables, and it will be denoted by the symbol rho. So suppose x and y are two variables. Let Rx and Ry are the ranks of the variables x and y respectively. Then di is equal to Rx minus Ry with the difference of the ranks. Then the Spearman's rank coefficient is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square divided by n cube minus n. So where this di is given by the difference between the two ranks, that is Rxi minus Ryi. Example, 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by 2 judges in the following order. Compute the coefficient of rank correlation. The first judge gave the ranks like 1, 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. The judge number 2 has given ranks like 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. So now from this data I am going to estimate the rank correlation coefficient. So given n is equal to 10 obviously, and summation di is given by finding the difference between each values, right? So I'm finding the difference and squaring it also. 1 minus x whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 9 whole square plus 3 minus 8 whole square plus 10 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square plus 9 minus 10 whole square plus 7 minus 5 whole square plus 8 minus 7 whole square. So I'll be getting summation d square is equal to 25 plus 4 plus 16 plus 25 plus 81 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. I'll be getting 158 is the value of summation d square. So now replace this value in the rho formula. So we know that rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square by n cube minus n we have. So on replace the value here, I'll be getting 1 minus 6 into 158 by 10 cube minus 10. So on simplifying this, I'll be getting the rank correlation coefficient as 0.042. One more example, 10 students got the following percentage of marks in two subjects, x and y. Compute their rank correlation coefficient. So here actually the marks only they have given, not the ranks. So the first thing is we have to estimate the ranks for the given data. So the given data is like marks, I'm taking it as x, 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, 65, 39. And marks y is given like 84, 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 58, 53, 47. So the first thing is we have to give a rank for the given marks, then we have to find the rank correlation coefficient. So take all the x marks here, 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, 65, 39. So in this one, the highest marks is 98. So for 98, obviously we should give the rank 1, right? So I'll be giving rank 1 here. So next is 90, rank 2. Next is 82, rank 3. Next is 78, rank 4. Next is 65, rank 6. 62, rank 7. 39, rank 8. 36, rank 9. And then 25, rank 10. So similarly take all the y values also, 84, 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 58, 53, 47. So rank will be given like 1 for 91, 2 for 86, 3 for 84, 4 for 68, 5 for 62, 7 for 58, 8 for 53, 9 for 51, 10 for 47. So now once we got the rank, we can find the differences. So finding difference between Rx minus Ry, I'll be getting 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, minus 2. Squaring all the differences, I'll be getting 1, 0, 0, 16, 1, 4, 0, 0, 4, 4. So find all the find the summation d square. I'll be getting summation d square is equal to 30 here. So now take the formula, rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square by n cube minus n. On replacing all the values, I'll be getting 1 minus 6 into 30 by 10 cube minus 10. So on simplifying this, the rank of the given marks will be given like rho is equal to 0.82 is the required rank correlation coefficient for the given data. One more example, compute the rank correlation coefficient for the following marks of 8 students selected at random in a PUC and SSLC. The marks of PUC is given like 85, 60, 73, 40, 89, 54, 70, 68, and the marks of SSLC is given like 92, 74, 0.64, 50, 80, 63, 61, 80. So first thing is we have to assume what is X and what is Y and find the ranks for those marks also. So let's start. Let me denote the marks of PUC as P, marks of SSLC as S. So now here marks they are given, we need to give the rank for it, right? So I'll be giving rank. So in the PUC marks, the highest one is 89. I'll be giving rank 1 for that. And the next is 85, rank 2. Next is 73, rank 3. Next is 70, rank 4. Next is 68, rank 5. Next is 60, rank 6. Next is 54, rank 7. 40, rank 8. And next is RS. So rank for the SSLC marks is given like for 92 1, for 74, for 82, for 80, for 82 2, 83, for 74 4, for 64 5, for 63 6, for 61 7, for 58. So now for differences, I'll be getting 1, 2, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 3 as a difference between RP as well as RS. So finding the square of the difference, I'll be getting 1, 4, 4, 0, 4, 1, 9, 9. So the value of summation d square will be getting 32. So that is a formula. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square by n cube minus n we are having. So incorporate all the data here. I'll be getting rho is equal to 1 minus 6 32 by 8 cube minus 8. So we'll be getting rho is equal to 1 minus 192 by 512 minus 8. So on simplifying this, I'll be getting the rank correlation coefficient is 0.6191. One more example, the 10 competitors in a music contest are ranked by 3 judges here, A, B, C in the following order. Use the rank correlation coefficient to decide which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common test of music. So like they have given 3 judges here and they have given ranks also. For from the judge A, the rank is given like 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. From the judge B, the rank is given like 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6, 9. From the judge C, the rank is given like 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. So now we have to find the ranks for each pair. So and then we have to find which pair will be the will have the common approach. So since they have given 3 judges here, we'll be having 3 set of pairs. One is rank of AB pair, rank of BC pair, rank of CA pair. So take all the ranks of A values from the judge A, ranks from judge B, rank from judge C like this. Now find the differences. So from A to B, so I will be getting 4. The 4, 1, 9, 36, 16, 64, 4, 64, 1, 1. Between B and C, I'll be getting the square of the difference will be 9, 1, 1, 16, 36, 64, 1, 30, 81, 1, 4 I'll be getting. From the pair CA, I'll be having the difference square is 25, 4, 16, 4, 4, 0, 1, 1, 4, 1 will be having. So now find all the summations. I will find the summation of d square AB is 200, summation of d square BC is 214, summation of d square CA is 60. So now take the rank correlation coefficient formula. So now we have the formula like rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square by n cube minus n, and here n is given by 10. So for the pair AB, the rank is given like 1 minus 6 into 200 by 10 cube minus 10. On simplify this, I will be getting rho AB is equal to minus 21. So for the pair BC, 1 minus 6 into 214 by 10 cube minus 10, I will be getting minus 0.297. So the rank of BC will be minus 0.297, we can write it. So for the pair CA, the rank will be given like 1 minus 6 into 60 by 10 cube minus 10. So 0.636 will get it. So the rank of the rank correlation coefficient of the pair CA will be given like 0.636. So one thing we have to observe that here, the rank AB and rank BC are negative here. And so therefore it implies that AB and BC are positive. So thus we can conclude that the judge CA have the nearest approach to the common taste of music, since it is a positive one. So next one, the compute the rank correlation coefficient for the following data. Given that the marks of 10 students in 2 tests. The test 1 is given like marks, that is the 56, 50, 65, 44, 38, 45, 52, 15, 76. The test 2 contains the marks 50, 35, 70, 25, 36, 58, 75, 60, 55, 26. So now you have to find the rank correlation coefficient. So first you have to give the ranks for that one. The test 1 I am taking here. The rank of test 1 will be 8, 2, 4, 1, 6, 7, 5, 3, 10, 9. And the test 2 marks I will be taking here. And the rank for the test 2 will be given like 6, 8, 2, 10, 7, 4, 1, 3, 5, 9. So find the difference between the rank of test 1 and rank of test 2. I'll be getting 2, minus 6, 2, minus 9, minus 1, 3, 4, 0, 5, 0. So on squaring the differences, I'll be getting 4, 36, 4, 81, 1, 9, 16, 0, 25, 0. So on doing summation, I'll be getting summation 1 of t square will be equal to 176. So take the formula now. So rho will be equal to, we are having 1 minus summation 6 summation d square by n cube minus n. So on replacing all this values, summation d square and n value, I'll be getting 1 minus 6 into 176 by 10 cube minus 10. So I'll be getting 1 minus 1056 by 990. The rank will be equal to minus 0.066. I will get it. So solve this all exercise problems. If you got any doubt means, please give a comment in the inbox. Thank you.